Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird FREEDOM 2 headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not pairing or syncing with your device or with the app, you may want to do this hard reset to the factory default settings to fix the issue. The second reason is if for whatever reason, maybe you're setting these up on a new phone or something like that, and you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just taking these earbuds out of the box and setting them up new, we can wipe everything off of them and go ahead and do that. And it's really easy to do. All we need to do is we're going to start with our earbuds powered off. So if they're not powered off, we'll just come in and hit this power button in the middle to power them off. And then from them being off, we're going to press and hold this button for 8 seconds. Basically until, it might be as short as 5, but basically until the LED flashes red and green. Once the LED flashes red and green, you can just go ahead and release and then double tap the button again. So 5 to 8 seconds until this flashes red and green, and then double tap on the power button. And if it works, then the LED will flash orange rapidly, and then you'll hear a low double tone in your headphones, and then they'll turn off. That means they've been reset. You can go ahead and then turn them back on and set them up as a new set of earphones.